I gave myself 10 minutes to test a free AI tool as someone with zero tech background. AI tools are popping up everywhere, and honestly, it felt overwhelming. I never knew where to start. So instead of overthinking it again, I decided to turn it into a 10-minute live challenge and learn as I go. Today's free AI tool is called Talonic. It takes documents like invoices and turns them into clean, organized data that systems and workflows can actually use. I chose to test Talonic because I've worked with invoices before, and anyone knows how painful manual checking them can be. So I wanted to see if this AI could actually save time, or it's just another tool that sounds too good to be true. So what exactly is Talonic? Let's take a quick look at their website. Talonic's main job is to turn messy documents into clean, organized data. There's a short demo showing how it works. So you upload a document, choose and edit the column titles you want, and then export everything neatly into Excel. The idea is to help turn unstructured documents into structured data, so work becomes faster and more organized. I think this will be especially useful for companies that still use a lot of paper forms or manual data entry. They also show a few examples of how people are using this tool. For example, your finance department can use this for any due diligence reporting. They don't have to manually key in reports. Talonic will structure the data and reports for you into one data set. Insurance companies can use this to organize their policy and claims form. The procurement team can use this for their vendor contracts so that any supplier terms, dates, and clauses are organized properly into the spreadsheets. The healthcare industry can use this to organize patient and clinical records. Right now, Talonic gives 100 free credits, and 1 credit means 1 document or 1 page, which probably means about 100 users, but it's not very clear if this resets every month or it's a one-time thing. One thing that I don't really like is that they don't show their prices, which can make people unsure about using it. So they have 3 tiers: base, professional, and enterprise. For all tiers, you have to contact them for the custom pricing. It's stated here all the features that you will get for each tier, but they definitely could have been more transparent about their prices. To get ready for this test, I made 3 fake invoices. One is handwritten on my iPad. So the first one is this. And then the second one is keyed into. So this is the second template. And then the third one is another invoice template but in a different format. So the main purpose is to upload all 3 invoices into Talonic and test whether it can organize these invoices into proper data sets. Okay, so let's start the timer now. Firstly, I will go to the website and then I will click button to upload my files. Workspace, leave empty for auto generate. Okay, generate with AI. So it's generating the structure. Now I'll see whether the AI software is able to detect the relevant column headers that I'll need for my spreadsheet. Oh, it's done. Not bad. Invoice number, invoice date, seller name, seller address, bill to company's name, bill to company address, subtotal amount, tax rate, tax amount, total amount, payment terms. Yes, I think that's about it. Invoice number, date, description. How about description? Oh, so it doesn't include description as one of the header, but I guess I can actually add in, right? So new column name, I put in description. Of the sales item. Enter example value for this column. Okay, so I will type one of the example that I have here, which is sales 123. Not sure if you can see. Okay, then okay, review invoice items. Okay, actually they have an item description here. Item amount first, invoice number. Okay, so I will just delete this. Okay, then I will so to structure 3 files, 4 credits are required and estimated time to process is 3 minutes. Initially I thought that 1 page will be for 1 credit use, but seems like it's determined by them. So for these 3 invoices, I will be using up 4 credits. And then now they're processing. So I'm especially curious about the handwritten one because honestly my handwriting is not the prettiest, and I'll be surprised if the AI is able to pick up every single word correctly. They actually have a timer here to show the time left to process this file. So if I imagine if you have a lot of invoices or documents to process, 100 credits will definitely not be enough, but they are also not very transparent on their pricing. Meanwhile, let me try to find alternatives. So I actually saw this website on the alternatives for Talonic, Occupied, UiPath, Automation Anywhere, Nintex. So I was curious, and then I came across this. I guess it works the same way as Talonic. Okay, let me check on my document. 1 minute left. Timer wise, 5 minutes to go. Okay, so for DocuPipe, it's more transparent with their pricing. We have the starter, which is free, and it's 100 credits per month. So it's stated here very clearly that it's 100 credits per month. And you get free 300 credits upon sign up. No credit card required. And then if you are happy with the software, you can actually upgrade to business, premium, or enterprise. And they even state the pricing for business and premium, which should be the way. At enterprise, of course, you can get a custom pricing. Okay, 4.5 minutes to go. 15 seconds left. Maybe I'll review this next time, because I feel that there are a lot of different AI softwares out there which are quite similar. So it's really up to you if you like their interface and how user friendly it is, and also if the pricing suits your budget, especially for small businesses or startups. I don't think you have too much budget to work with, so for software like DocuPipe will be a good alternative. Plus, you wouldn't have too many invoices or documents to process if you are a small company. Okay, 3.5 minutes left. Found a process, file black and white slip could not be successfully validated. Black and white slip minimalist. Which one? This one. Okay, I know why. This is the one with my handwriting. And then it stated that they could not be successfully validated. I guess if you have handwritten document, this software might not be the one for you. So 2 of 3 files were structured successfully. You can now add more files or change your spreadsheet format. Structure 1 file. Oops. Okay, so they have the spreadsheet template here. So first column will be the headers, and then we have the information or data over here in the second and third column. So I'm trying to generate for the black and white one, which is handwritten by me. Okay, so it's another 3 minutes, but I only have 2 minutes left. Oh, okay, so you can also integrate into other software like Microsoft Power BI, Salesforce, HubSpot, Microsoft Dynamics. Oh, okay, it's faster than I thought. Okay, so they actually use up 4 credits for 3 documents. Maybe because it's handwritten, so it requires more processing power. Okay, so it actually managed to generate for the handwritten one. Sample. Okay, so let me see. Okay, the question is how do I export it? Oh, okay, so I can switch between. Okay, this is better. Yeah, I prefer the headers to be this way, so you can actually rotate between row and column orientation. Okay, I'm left with only 1 minute. Let me try to download it in Excel format. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Okay, because I'm using MacBook. Let me go back to my Excel sheet. Okay, so this is actually how it looks like. We have the invoice number here, invoice date, seller name, seller address, bill to company name, bill to company address, payment terms, file name, tax rate, tax amount. So I would say those that are not handwritten should be correct. Let me check. Okay, so this is the handwritten one. Daniel Love and Management Consultant. Love Land Management Consultant. Oh, okay. Okay, so this is correct. Seller address, yes. Customer name, no. So for those handwritten words, they are unable to extract the information. For example, customer name is written here Isabella Gomez, and for address 23 Company Street 20. Even for the amount, they are unable to extract. So what they could extract was only those that are not handwritten. And then for the other 2 invoices, Pedro Fernandez, $500, due within 30 days. Oh, interesting. The payment terms is not written in this invoice, but they could extract the information that the payment terms is due in 30 days using the reference from the invoice date and also the due date. So this is actually very useful. And the rest of the information is actually correct. Company ABC, seller address. Where is the seller address? I don't see. Oh, 123 anywhere. Okay. Okay, so the information is actually correct for this invoice. And then for the last one, check Gibbons. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 72 Company Street 70. Company ABC is the seller name. Then company XYZ. And bill to company address 62 Company Street 60. Terms and condition, payment is due within 30 days. $21.80, so it's correct. And then we have another separate tab for invoice items. So for invoice items, They will list down the item description that corresponds with the invoice number, but they are unable to extract the one that is handwritten. So we only have 2 invoices here. Overall, I think this is a great software, but if you have handwritten documents, then this might not be suitable for you because it cannot extract out the relevant information from handwritten documents. For me, as usual, I feel that this challenge shows that even without a tech background, AI is way more accessible than we think. Also, let me know in the comments down below which AI software would you like me to test. Thank you for watching, and till next time.